Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up Notion on your mobile device. First, head over to your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play, and download the Notion application. Once installed, open the app. You'll then have the option to create a brand new account if you're a first-time user, or simply log in using your existing Notion credentials. This initial step takes just a few moments to complete. Once logged in, you'll find Notion's mobile interface intuitive. The sidebar, accessible from the left, provides quick access to all your pages and workspaces. Utilize the powerful search bar at the top to instantly locate any information you need across your entire Notion setup. Familiarize yourself with the main dashboard, which typically displays your most recently accessed pages and favorite items, making navigation a breeze. Creating and editing content on Notion Mobile is straightforward. To add new content, simply tap the plus icon, usually found at the bottom or top of your screen, to create a new page or add an entry to a database. Notion offers a wide array of block types, from simple text and headings to to-do lists and embedded images. To modify existing content, just tap on the block you wish to edit and start typing. One of Notion's greatest strengths is its seamless synchronization. All your changes are automatically saved and updated across every device where you access Notion, ensuring your work is always current. You can easily share pages with colleagues or friends for real-time collaborative editing, fostering teamwork. Furthermore, Notion allows you to access your workspace offline, so you can continue working even without an internet connection, enhancing your productivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.